District Administration Jiribam Sanjuna Chaliba January Thagitang Amadagi Hodokiba 36 National Roadsafety Month 2025 Kamari Leinana Ngasi Aroiba Numit Asida Jiribam Deputy Commissioner Krishna Kumar IAS na Luchingduna Jiribam Babu Parada Leiba Iravat Statue Complex da Lambida Gari Thoba Achat Awok Singda Helmet Amadi Khudol Potpiduna National Road Safety Month ki Thoramga Pangthokhre Ngasi Thoram aduda Helmet uptana lakpa two-wheeler gari thoba singda helmet sing yantoki aduga helmet uptuna niyom ngakna thorakpa singdana achamba khudol amamam su kutsinaki four-wheeler thoba vel faduna lakpa singda su achamba khudol sing piduna puning thawatki pangthoki ba thoram adugi matangda Deputy Commissioner Krishna Kumar IAS na paumi singda haikibada niyom chumna gari thobiyu National Road Safety Month kamari Leinana Ngasi Jiribam District Asida su lambida lakpa gari thoba singda helmet uptana lakpa singda helmet piba aduga niyom chumna helmet amadi four-wheeler thoba singna bel punduna traffic niyom ngaktuna gari thoba singdana achamba khudol piduna puning thawatki maramaduna miyamna traffic rules sing ngakna chatpiyu masigi awareness singasi media person su pak sanna sandokpiyu haina phongdoki ngasigi thoram aduda ADC Jiribam TH Manoranjan Singh SDCM Devananda Singh EOJMCM Surijit Singh Jiribam Police ke officer Singh amadi District Administration Jiribam ke official Singh su saruyaki.
So those like while driving four-wheelers, if they have wore the seat belt, so we have given some like token of gratitude just for their appreciation because they are following all the road safety norms. And for the two-wheelers drivers, those who are not wearing the helmet, so they have been given helmet, and those who have like already wore the helmets, so just to appreciate them, some small prizes and gift have also been given to them. The overall objective to encourage each and everyone, every section of people, because we know that every month how many lives are being lost, how many damages are being incurred. So just to encourage and motivate and make the general public aware, this drive was taken today in our Jiribam district.